Alright, let me try to draw this. I'm gonna try to figure out this head using the Loomis method. And, let me go into figure circle, and I'm gonna just try to figure this out. Let's see, try to fit it in as best as I can, because I just want to figure out how this would look using, I call this a construction overlay. It's not really a trace, because I'm not tracing anything really. So just erase the ruler. I'm trying to figure out. Here we go. That's. I'm trying to figure this out now. See, I'm not really. Let's see, because we'll just keep it like that. Right here, and I'm gonna use the shadow. I have a light source for this 3D model coming from the top, so I can pick up all the planes. That's the word I'm looking for. Let me study this. Oh wait. I'm missing this line right here. Yeah, the ear is very low on this figure, and we're missing the the nose line. Yeah, the nose is the ear is really low. So now take a look at it. Okay, take a look one more time, and let's put in the let's put this one here. Okay, and really it should be a little bit bigger. The keystone here, it should be a little bit bigger. All right. And of course there's the chin line, and then there's this line as well, the bottom of the chin. There's this as well. See how that looks. All right. Let's look, see what. Keep it as mechanical as possible. It's roughly what I'm trying to get. Although this is wrong. Really should be like this. And it should be like this, something like this. Like, see how close I got to that. Oh, I got pretty close to it. I think it should be there. Go. That should be that. All right. So, yeah, let me erase it all and try to do it without it. Okay. Let's go here. Here. And let's move this for me, just so it can be more comfortable. Let me just erase the ruler now so I can work with it. I was like way in here, I think. It's way in here. I made this too big. Just realize that now. Okay. And see how well I'm gonna do replicating that. I think this should be a little bit more here, if I remember correctly. Alright. And this was here. This is here. You know what? Yeah. Let's just bring this over. Alright. I think it was closer to this angle, right? Is it? Is it? Should do a soft erase, not a hard erase like I'm doing now. Just softer. I think it should be like this. The eyebrow. I think the nose should be bigger. Alright. I'm making the eyes a little bit bigger because, seriously. Just gonna make that a little bit straighter. Right? I think that's too big. Okay. Alright. Let's try and see if this works. Alright, now for the mouth. Damn, I don't remember. I don't remember the mouth. Alright. I'm gonna bring this up to the Loomis method though. I'm gonna bring this up higher, unlike the model. Oh, this feels. Yeah, this does feel a little short. I should have done a. I should have done a trace to figure out the nose properly. To figure out the nose. Let's just do this. Yeah, we'll do this. And oops, this is the mouth. This is the mouth arrow. I feel like I made the nose too short. Oops. Yeah, that looks better. I didn't even do this. Should have done. I should have done this. This is true, Dan. I need to bring this in more. This is why I like digital art. I like messing around with digital, because I get unlimited erasing. But you can get addicted to that. I've seen the weakness. I've developed a weakness, so no, that's possible. To measure it, see how well I did there. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. Alright. Let's alright. So I'm not talking. Sorry about that. But really hard to do. Alright. Now the mouth. The mouth is always tricky for me. Should it be there? On the middle of the eye here. So this definitely be here. Should something like that. I can't get the mouth. Can't get the fucking mouth. I have to study the mouth a little bit more. So, yeah. Okay. That's a good first try. It's been a while since I've done a 3/4 view. I don't want to make it sound like this is my very first attempt at a 3/4 view. Like the neck somewhere here. I forgot. Let me take a look. Let me cheat. Yeah, well, as a matter of fact, hold on. Let me look at the screen here because I got one here. I just turned it on. You can't see it. It's a sub view. I had it off the whole time, and now it looks like I was cheating the whole time. Oh, shit. I should have done a window capture, but I have it on now. I just turned it on now. It's let me show you. Let me show you how what that is. Hold on. Oh shoot! How do I how do I merge it back? Oh, there it is. There it is. See right here? This little window here. Yeah, right there. Let me take it out and put it back here. But I had it minimized, and yeah, now I'm gonna stretch it out. And you're just gonna have to trust me that I had that on. I had that because I have to copy the neck, and I haven't really done anything with the neck yet. So I'm just kind of copying right now. The chin is here. Yeah, the rest of the trapezius is here. And what you can call it? This is the I forgot. Sternomastoid? Yeah. So I can see there's a lot of information gone here. Alright. I'm gonna put this away. See, because I'm touching it here. This is where you see it. I'm touching it here. And just moving the minimize part a little bit over. And this way I can still see my file, edit, animation layer, select view filter window. And when I bring it down, I can't see any of that stuff, but you can't see it either. So maybe I'll do the next video. Will be something else. Here we go. So yeah. So yeah, I think this is I'm not gonna do any more than this because I don't have time for that. You know, it's been up all day, so yeah. I think that came out. I think this really sloppy. This is really sloppy. Oh my god, this is so sloppy. Get that fixed. I can get that fixed. Here we go. This could go more inside, I think. I think it was fine the first time. Hold on, I'm gonna bring down the sub view for myself so I can check this out. See how deep that goes. Just want to see how deep this goes in. Alright. This almost goes as deep as this. And this should be a lot rounder. Okay, oh, it's too steep. Wonders. This is too steep. I just used my digital pen to check the angle. Full kind of starts here and comes in, and right here the cheekbone comes in. And now I'm looking at the sub view. You can claim, you can say I'm cheating. I don't give a fuck. Alright. You flip this. Flip it this way. Yeah. So my problems are the lips. Hold on. Yeah, red glare. So obviously the lips are a problem. This is a problem as well. I need to start adding in more detail to the ear. And let me know what else you spot.